Hey guys, welcome back to Smashin Bashin RC. Today we're at a local school and got a lot of holes around. Got a lot of snowbanks on here. It looks like we might have a little fun around here. And Goliath is playing in the mud puddles and you know how it goes. I don't know what to say.
I hate it when it shuts off because you can't see
it, huh?
I know it saves the battery, but
oh. Forgot about that curve.
I hate that snow.
I know.
Sticky.
Huh?
It's sticky.
Hey guys, for you guys that do this kind of recording and you don't like to wear GoPros on your head, try out these. They're Rincon glasses. They got 1080p. They're pretty good. As long as you don't walk too much, they're not that bouncy if you just hold still and learn how to use them good. When I first started using it was pretty bouncy, and now as long as you don't go like this, it turns out pretty good. Only thing about them is the audio isn't that great. Seriously, lost its steering. Wow. Oh, that's why the X-Maxx has no steering, it's snapped. One little hill jump and this X-Maxx's steering arm looked like it snapped off. Wow, this truck, man, you can only run it for like 2 seconds and something breaks on it. Oh, Granite time. Chase the car, put the GoPro down. Chase the car. Yeah, she's chasing it. I wonder if she got anything.
Oh shit. Oof. Good thing you didn't see that. Thank you. Oh, the battery.
Right away the battery popped. Maybe I forgot to strap it in, I don't know. Not as good as the last time.
No. I'm scared to break it. Go.
I guess I was in the way.
No.
The snow was a little bit, the snow wasn't as deep, it cruised right over this.
It's soft too.
Yeah.
Stuck. My car. Mine won't work. It won't move. It didn't even work. What is it? Oh! Oh man. Is it really?
Nice. He just stayed on his feet. Oh, that hit hard. Lucky this car is tough.
I wish I had a BB gun, I'd shoot you in the ass.
What's that?
If I had a BB gun, I would have shot you in the ass.
Yeah.
That would have hurt.
Oh, under the car. Get that. Oh, shit. They got sprayed, dude. Hang on. Yeah, I got a blown out tire. I should have drilled some holes in them. So what happens when you get water in them? Get too much water in your tires, they blow out because the water's not no way to get up. So I should drill holes in them. And I forgot to do that. I got it done on my X-Maxx, but I haven't done it on anything else. Oh. I know. Right away, huh? Come on, get through there, get through there. Time to fry the motor. Yeah, if the snow was a little bit harder, it'd make it right through there. Be even better. The X-Maxx broke. Looks like it broke the steering arm from the servo to the steering thing. That's broke, so I'm gonna get me one of those. Max, they're freaking awesome as usual. If you guys want a new car, I recommend it up here because the price is a beast and you won't be disappointed. The Granite, it killed its batteries again pretty quick. Got a better run on it than last time. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Just kidding.